Thank you for joining us. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Xitron's PDF Pathfinder to create a perf cut or contour cut layer. The first thing I will do is select either cut contour or perf cut contour. I'll then add a layer called cut. I can then choose what kind of corners I want if I'm just creating an overall cut shape, or I can choose to have Pathfinder find the edges of the artwork, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select all the artwork starting from the outside edges. I have my cut layer selected, but I could choose any layer if I wanted to. Now I select Clipped Outline. I then click Create. Now you can see that PDF Pathfinder has created a new layer with a cut contour of the artwork very quickly and efficiently.